Is 7 lessons learned from this morning's trip with the old 1225X. So number 6, rusted iron. That normally when we hear a clicking sound, or when I hear that clicking return over the signal, it'll be like a tick 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 tick. Hear that? That usually means you got it set at 5.5 discrimination. That clicky sound, usually I find a nail or a piece of wire. Let's go see what it is. Heard something. Oh, there it is. Oh wow. Big iron piece of metal, which, yeah, that makes sense. Wire or nail, and in this case, a big iron piece of metal.